DuctSox Airflow Solutions. Effective indoor air quality is critical in consumable applications, like food processing, preparation and packaging, growing facilities, beverage and bottling, warehousing, restaurants, and grocery stores. Each year, the CDC reports high numbers of food-related illnesses, resulting in sickness and hospitalization caused by supply chain contamination. Prevent product recalls by addressing indoor air quality issues to help protect consumers and maintain product integrity. The Food Safety Modernization Act was developed to protect products throughout the supply chain. Historically, industry regulations and protocols govern processes for sanitation and HVAC best practices. Metal duct solutions can contribute to poor indoor air quality and contamination due to insufficient airflow that encourages microbial growth, the need for drip pans to collect condensation, remaining condensation on surfaces from washdowns and lack of airflow, cross-contamination in harsh washdown applications, safety hazards when cleaning elevated work areas, along with downtime and labor costs of system-wide cleaning. DuctSox air dispersion solutions provide better indoor air quality, better environmental control, and a better cleaning experience. You can customize fabric material runs to meet varying airflow requirements in any space. Targeted air dispersion options prevent condensation buildup throughout the facility. The groundbreaking OptiX fabric controls the growth and spread of bacteria, fungi, and mold in consumable environments and is only available from DuctSox. The stainless steel food-grade R-Track suspension system offers many installation variations, including straight runs, elevation changes, and curved options. The unique design of the R-Track makes fabric removal for cleaning quick and easy. You can disconnect zippered segments at the end of a run to allow removal of the whole length from a single access point. It's recommended to use spare sets of socks for laundering to minimize downtime during scheduled cleanings. DuctSox solutions improve your indoor air quality, keeping your workers and products safe, improving industrial hygiene, adhering to manufacturing best practices while providing better performance. DuctSox, redefining air dispersion. To learn more, contact your local DuctSox representative.